Gonna boil the potatoes and then peel it. Finely minced some onions. So I peel the potatoes when it's hot and add it to raw onions so that it can be partially cooked with the heat of the potatoes, and with that it also adds sweetness to the onion and the potato. It releases, so you just mash it up. When the water is boiled, I add in some salt, and then I'm gonna boil in about 1.5 or 1 1/3 carrot that I'm diced. Add in about half a bowl of green pea. Oops, that's it. Bring it to boil, cook it through. Add in about 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander for a twist to the flavor. And then add in 3 stalks of minced spring onions. And the peas and carrots are already boiled, so add it in. So adding the pork, minced pork, to stir fry a little bit. And then season with salt, pepper, adding the pork to stir fry in the pan. It's not seasoned. And then add in salt. And curry powder, about 1 teaspoon, and pepper. Mix it real well. When the pork is cooked, just add it into the potatoes. And that's when you start to season it with freshly cracked pepper, according to how much you like it. And then a good amount of maybe 2 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder. Mix it well. Just mix it well. And then we're gonna form croquettes and bread it. And I'm gonna bake it and not fry it. I have about 4 cups of panko crumbs, at about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, about another 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and then dry fry it till it's golden crispy. Just keep frying. So at low fire, don't burn it. So after about 5 minutes, it's sufficiently brown and aromatic with the nuttiness of sesame oil. We just leave it to cool, and then we can coat it and bake it. So we take about 1 scoop like this. I mean, it all depends on what size do you want it to be. And then shape it into like a hamburger patty size. That's all. And then just press it firmly onto the breadcrumb, and it will naturally just stick together. Be generous. So you have it all coated, and then put it onto the pan like this with a little bit of oil. Just put it here. There you go. Let's do one more. So about 1 scoop, slightly lesser. Shape it with your palm, and then press it down like a hamburger patty, and press it down. Make sure it's all coated well. And there you have. So let's do again. So give a good scoop. Of course, if you have a weighing scale, it'll be great. I don't really have it yet, so it doesn't matter. So get it into a nice rectangular shape. A little bit like a gold bar shape. Right, like this. And then just generously toss it with breadcrumb. So give a good scoop, about this palm size. Press it down, give a little bit of a shape, whatever shape that you like, almost whatever shape. And then just roll it into panko crumbs. Dump it on top, make sure it's really coated everywhere. And there you have, put it aside. So all 12 has been made. 10 over here, 2 over here. Just gonna send it to the oven, bake it. The oven, 230 for about 12 minutes. See you later. So, oof, so hot. Beautifully golden, look at that. Ta-da-da. Shredded shoot cabbage. Just a lot. I like it a lot. And then some cucumber. Put it here. Here's my baked croquette, curry croquette, with a bit of raw cabbage. My croquette. Creamy and good.